From raw nature to organized production, where scale, precision, and efficiency begin. Every step is calculated, every movement optimized, combining human skill with industrial power. Materials move fast, systems work nonstop, transforming effort into consistent, high-volume output. This is mass production flow, delivering quality at scale, shaping the supply chain of tomorrow. Welcome to Mass Production Flow, where we explore the fascinating journey of papayas from tropical farms to your delicious canned desserts. Today, we are stepping inside a massive, state-of-the-art processing facility that handles tons of fresh fruit every single day for export. The journey begins in these vast orchards, where skilled workers carefully select only the fruits that have reached the perfect maturity. Quality control starts right here in the field, as workers inspect each papaya to ensure it meets the strict size requirements. Once harvested, the fruit is immediately loaded onto temperature-controlled trucks to maintain freshness during the journey to the processing plant. Upon arrival at the industrial facility, the trucks dock at the receiving bay, ready to discharge their cargo into the system. Speed is essential here, as the fruit needs to be processed quickly to preserve its natural flavor, texture, and nutritional value. The first step is a gentle pre-wash, where water jets remove loose dirt and debris gathered from the farm environment. Next, the fruit enters a bubbling flotation tank, where air agitation helps to scrub the skin without causing any mechanical damage. This water bath also serves to separate any heavy foreign objects, like stones, that might have accidentally entered the production line. Emerging from the bath, the clean papayas travel up an incline, glistening under the factory lights, ready for rigorous inspection. Human inspectors play a vital role here, using their trained eyes to spot and remove any fruit that is imperfect. Only the fruits with the right firmness are allowed to pass, ensuring the final product will have a consistent texture. Technology takes over next, as optical sorters scan every single fruit to categorize them based on precise size and shape. This automated sorting ensures that fruits of similar sizes are processed together, which is crucial for the efficiency of peeling machines. Now we reach the peeling station, where automated machines grip the fruit and prepare to strip away the tough outer skin. High-speed mechanical peelers strip the skin off the fruit with incredible precision, ensuring maximum yield and minimal waste of flesh. The result is a stream of vibrant orange spheres, completely free of skin, moving smoothly towards the next stage of production. Automated splitters slice the fruit perfectly in half, exposing the seed cavity, which must be cleaned out before further processing. Workers or specialized suction machines remove the seeds, leaving only the clean, sweet flesh, ready for dicing or pulping. A final rinse ensures that no stray seeds remain attached to the fruit, as purity is essential for the canned product. The fruit is then fed into industrial dicers, where sharp grid blades chop the flesh into uniform, bite-sized cubes instantly. Vibrating conveyors separate the perfect cubes from small fragments, ensuring that every can contains only high-quality, solid pieces of fruit. A final visual inspection is conducted to catch any discolored pieces that might have been missed by the automated systems. Meanwhile, empty cans are sterilized using high-pressure air and steam, ensuring a hygienic environment for the fruit to be packed. The filling station is a marvel of engineering, depositing the exact weight of fruit into each can at lightning speed. Once filled with fruit, the cans move to the syrup dispenser, which adds a sweet, preserving liquid to the mixture. This hot syrup not only enhances the flavor, but also helps in preserving the texture and color of the papaya. The cans are then hermetically sealed by a seaming machine, locking in the freshness and preventing any contamination from outside. Safety is paramount, so every sealed can is checked for leaks or defects before proceeding to the sterilization stage. Robotic arms stack the cans into large metal baskets, preparing them for the most critical step in food preservation. These baskets are loaded into giant pressure cookers called retorts, where they will undergo a rigorous thermal sterilization process. Inside the retort, high temperatures kill any bacteria and ensure the product remains shelf-stable for years without refrigeration. After sterilization, the cans are rapidly cooled with water to prevent the fruit from overcooking and becoming too soft. Once cooled and dried, the cans return to the conveyor line, ready to receive their brand identity and information. High-speed labeling machines wrap colorful branding around each can, providing nutritional details and expiration dates for the consumer. Traceability is key, so every can is printed with a unique batch code and expiration date for quality tracking. Now let's look at the juice production line, where papayas are processed differently to create smooth purees and concentrates. The fruit is crushed into a fine pulp, breaking down the fibers to release the rich juice and flavor. This pulp is pumped through fine filters to remove any remaining coarse fibers, resulting in a silky, smooth consistency. The juice undergoes flash pasteurization, a process that heats the liquid briefly to ensure safety without destroying the vitamins. For juice production, the fruit pulp is sent to giant stainless steel mixing tanks, where it is blended to perfection. Quality assurance technicians test samples from every batch to ensure the perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. Meanwhile, sterile bottles are lined up, ready to be filled with the nutritious nectar derived from the fresh papayas. The bottling line moves at an incredible pace, filling and capping thousands of units per hour with absolute precision. Filled bottles pass through a cooling tunnel to stabilize the temperature, ensuring the product stays fresh during its shelf life. Shrink sleeves are applied using steam, giving the bottles a sleek, professional look that stands out on supermarket shelves. Automation continues as spider robots pick up multiple bottles at once and place them gently into shipping cartons. The cartons are sealed and weighed automatically, ensuring that no box leaves the factory with missing or damaged items. Back at the canning line, similar robotic systems are hard at work packing the metal cans into durable cardboard trays. Palletizing robots stack the boxes in precise patterns to maximize stability and space efficiency for storage and shipping. Once a pallet is full, it is wrapped in layers of protective plastic film to keep the load secure. Automated guided vehicles transport these heavy loads to the warehouse, navigating the factory floor without any human intervention. The warehouse is a cathedral of logistics, where thousands of pallets are stored in a computerized high bay racking system. Automated cranes lift the goods to dizzying heights, organizing inventory so that the oldest stock is always shipped first. Advanced software tracks every single pallet, ensuring complete traceability from the farm harvest to the final shipping destination. When an order comes in, the system retrieves the specific products needed and brings them to the loading dock. Shipping containers await at the bay, ready to distribute these tropical delights to supermarkets and homes around the world. Workers carefully load the containers, maximizing space and ensuring the cargo is braced for its long journey across oceans. With the doors locked and sealed, the product is officially ready to leave the facility and enter the global market. Trucks depart the factory daily, connecting this local agricultural hub with consumers in Europe, America, and beyond. This efficient supply chain ensures that people everywhere can enjoy the taste of fresh papaya regardless of the season. From the grocery shelf to the kitchen table, these products offer convenience without compromising on quality or nutritional benefits. Whether used in fruit salads, smoothies, or baking, the processed papaya retains the vibrant color and sweetness of fresh fruit. We have witnessed an incredible transformation today, a perfect blend of nature's bounty and human engineering ingenuity. Facilities like this play a crucial role in reducing food waste and supporting the livelihoods of local farming communities. Behind every machine and robot, there is a dedicated team of people ensuring that safety and quality standards are met. As one batch leaves, the cycle continues in the fields, with new crops growing to feed the production lines of tomorrow. The sun sets on the plantation, but the industrial process never sleeps, working around the clock to feed the world. Sustainable farming practices ensure that this land will continue to produce high-quality fruit for generations to come. Continuous research and development help improve the fruit varieties, making them more resistant to disease and tastier for consumers. The synchronization of machines, from the washing tanks to the palletizers, is a testament to modern industrial planning. It takes thousands of moving parts working in harmony to process these tons of fruit with such remarkable speed. Hygiene is maintained through rigorous cleaning schedules, ensuring the factory remains a pristine environment for food production. Even the waste is utilized. Peels and seeds are often converted into animal feed or organic compost for the farms. Many modern factories are also adopting green energy, using solar panels to power the heavy machinery we've seen today. Automation has increased production capacity by over 500% compared to traditional manual processing methods used in the past. Every drop of juice and every cube of fruit represents a journey of care, technology, and logistical excellence. Ultimately, all this technology serves one simple purpose: to bring healthy, nutritious food to families around the globe. The mesmerizing flow of the production line is not just efficient, it is a visual representation of human progress. As night falls, the logistics team continues their work, ensuring that supply chains remain unbroken and shelves remain stocked. From the quiet sunrise in the orchard to the bustling activity of the factory floor, the process is relentless. The final product stands as a symbol of quality, ready to compete in the demanding international food market. Responsible manufacturing also means treating wastewater, ensuring that clean water is returned to the local ecosystem. The cycle begins again in the nursery, where seedlings are nurtured to become the productive trees of the future. Strong partnerships between growers and processors are the backbone of this industry, creating mutual growth and economic stability. At the port, these containers join global trade routes, carrying the tropical taste of papaya to distant shores. Across the oceans, the preserved fruit travels safely, bridging the gap between tropical climates and temperate consumers. The next time you see a can of papaya, remember the complex journey and the many hands it has passed through. Chefs and home cooks alike rely on this consistency to create culinary masterpieces that delight the senses. The preservation technology locks in the texture, ensuring that each bite is as firm and juicy as fresh fruit. This factory is a shining example of how modern food science helps feed a growing global population efficiently. It is a collective effort of nature, machine, and human dedication that makes mass production of food possible. The humble papaya has truly been transformed into a global commodity through the power of industrial innovation. From the farm to the wash, peel, can, and ship, every step is optimized for speed, safety, and quality. As the trucks roll out towards the horizon, we conclude our tour of this magnificent papaya processing facility. Thank you for watching this journey. Subscribe to Mass Production Flow for more industrial insights. See you in the next video.